In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Mcafee Web Advisor browser extension. Let's dive right in and explore some straightforward methods to ensure you have this protective tool set up correctly on your browser. First, let's talk about how you can go about installing it through your browser's extension store. If you're using Chrome, you'll want to head over to the Chrome Web Store. Once there, you can search for Mcafee Web Advisor. If it's still available, you should see it listed there for easy installation. For those of you using Firefox or Edge, you'll want to check their respective add-on or extension stores for the same process. However, be aware that if you can't find it listed, Mcafee may have stopped distributing it or removed support altogether. Keeping up to date with browser support is crucial, and sometimes add-ons come and go as technology evolves. Next, it's worthwhile to check your existing Mcafee product to see if WebAdvisor is already there. Sometimes Mcafee packages like Mcafee Total Protection include WebAdvisor as part of the bundle. If that's the case, you might just need to enable it from within the Mcafee app itself. An annoying quirk that sometimes occurs is during browser updates. WebAdvisor can get disabled. It's one of those little things to be mindful of when your browser updates pop up. Should you find that Mcafee WebAdvisor isn't functioning as expected or seems entirely absent, a good approach is to reinstall or repair your Mcafee software. Begin by uninstalling the current WebAdvisor or your Mcafee program. After that, reinstall the Mcafee product or the WebAdvisor component specifically, as this action can often reinstall the browser extension. Interestingly, sometimes just repairing the Mcafee installation will trigger the extension to reappear as if by magic. Once installed, it might require enabling manually. For Chrome users, navigate to Chrome/extensions and see if Mcafee WebAdvisor is listed but perhaps disabled. Make sure your browser settings allow for third-party extensions and that nothing is blocking the installation. It's also a smart idea to check for any conflicting extensions or policies that might cause an obstruction. Finally, if all else fails, contacting Mcafee support is a sensible step. It's possible that Mcafee has discontinued support in your region or for your specific product version. The support site mentions that WebAdvisor is no longer available as a standalone product for Android or iOS, which could be telling for desktop versions too. Reach out to Mcafee to ask whether the WebAdvisor extension is still supported for your PC or browser version. Getting this kind of confirmation ensures you have the correct tools at your disposal for protection while browsing online. And there you have it, several strategies to ensure you have the Mcafee WebAdvisor at your disposal. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.